Welcome back to Mountain Western Raceway, and today this haul comes from Crazy Canuck. He has raced on the track before, and this time he sent in some stocks here and some Road Warriors and some NASCARs. So let's have a look at the stocks first. This lot here is obviously for hot rods, and he's a huge fan of the minis by the looks of it. We've got the Challenger here, Cooper S Challenger, and we've got a nice little Countryman right here, which is seeing one of these, actually a few of these race currently in minis versus Mustangs. Right next to that is some Porsches. We've got the 89 Porsche 944 Turbo. That's a nice one. I don't think I've seen that one before. And looks like a 911, I think. This one here. 2009 GT3, 2007. So yeah, some crackers there, mate. Over here is, this is very interesting. I made a mention about doing an Indy car race, and lo and behold, Crazy Canuck, you've sent in some Indy cars. These are very rare to find in Australia, and I do have a couple. So now you've sent in a few. We're going to need a bit more to get an Indy car race. I'm pretty sure they'll go all right on the track. I don't think they'll sit too low. They're very small looking cars, but I think, you know, we get 24 of those in a comp. I think that'll be loads of fun ripping down the track. Down the back, we've got some Road Warriors and NASCARs. So let's have a look at the Road Warriors. These two are going into Road Warriors Season 3. Road Warriors will start right after Minis versus Mustangs, which finishes up next week. And right alongside of this are the NASCARs, which will happen later in the year. We've got quite a few NASCARs at Mount Western Raceway at the moment, so I'm actually looking forward to the NASCARs. They race extremely well on this fat track. I think the fat track was made for NASCAR, really, and I just love the shape, the look of them, the colours, so looking forward to racing those. So as we do, I'm going to send all these customs down the track and do a test run. Crazy Canuck, you've got some good rollers there, mate, both for Road Warriors and NASCAR. As I mentioned before, Road Warriors will start very soon and NASCAR will happen later in 2021. So a big thank you, Crazy Canuck, for sending in your customs and also your stocks for Road Warriors, Porsche and the Indy tournament later on in this year. So until next time, guys, catch you later.